Hey, they're all viewers. Welcome back to another healthy lifestyle supports channel video. Are you a big fan of okra? It's getting more popular around the world. And why shouldn't it be? It's pretty easy to cook. Okra, also known as gumbo or lady's fingers, is a warm season vegetable. It is a good source of minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. It contains a sticky juice that people use to thicken sauces. Okra is a flowering plant with edible seed pods. It grows best in warm climates and is often cultivated in Africa and South Asia. Though technically a fruit, okra often gets used like a vegetable in cooking. You might be familiar with okra as an ingredient in gumbo, for example. Though not necessarily a household name in healthy foods, okra still has plenty of nutritional value. Okra is low in calories but packed full of nutrients. The vitamin C in okra helps support healthy immune function. Okra is also rich in vitamin K, which helps your body clot blood. Well, what are the health benefits of okra? In today's video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about okra. What is the nutrition of okra? Is okra good for people with diabetes? Can it fight against cancer? Should pregnant women stay away from it? We'll be talking about all that and more. Number 1. Nutrition facts. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA National Nutrient Database, just one plate of raw okra, weighing 33 grams, contains the following nutrients. Energy. 33 calories equal to 1% of the daily value. Sugar. 1.48 grams equal to 2% of the daily value. Protein. 1.93 grams equal to 4% of the daily value. Carbohydrates. 7.45 grams equal to 2% of the daily value. Total fats. 0.19 grams equal to 0% of the daily value. And dietary fiber. 3.2 grams equal to 12% of the daily value. How much does okra contain vitamins? What are they? Of course, vitamin C, ascorbic acid. 23 milligrams equals 38% of the daily value. Thiamine, vitamin B1. 0.2 milligrams equal to 13% of the daily value. Riboflavin, vitamin B2. 0.06 milligrams equal to 3% of the daily value. Niacin, vitamin B3. 1 milligram equal to 5% of the daily value. Pyridoxine, vitamin B6. 215 micrograms, equal to 10% of the daily value. Retinol, vitamin A. 716 international unit, IU, equal to 14% of the daily value. And vitamin E, alpha tocopherol. 0.27 milligrams equal to 2% of the daily value. Whilst minerals in okra such as copper are 109 micrograms, equal to 5% of the daily value. Magnesium, 57 milligrams equal to 14% of the daily value. Potassium, 299 milligrams equal to 8% of the daily value. Calcium, 82 milligrams equal to 8% of the daily value. Phosphorus, 61 milligrams equal to 6% of the daily value. Zinc, 0.58 milligrams equal to 3% of the daily value. Iron, 0.62 milligrams equal to 3% of the daily value. And sodium, 7 milligrams equal to 0% of the daily value. Well, okra is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants that help reduce the risk of serious health conditions like cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. Individual needs for nutrients vary according to age, sex, activity level, and caloric intake. To help a person find out how much of a nutrient they need, the USDA provides an interactive tool. Okra is also a source of antioxidants. Okra, its pods, and seeds contain a variety of antioxidant compounds, including phenolic compounds and flavonoid derivatives, such as catechins and quercetin. Scientists think that these compounds may help lower the risk of cancer. Scientists also believe that these compounds may have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2. Fight cancer. Antioxidants are natural compounds that help your body fight off molecules called free radicals that can damage cells. Free radicals are most well known for causing oxidation damage, which can eventually lead to cancer. Okra contains antioxidants called polyphenols, including vitamins A and C. It also contains a protein called lectin, which may inhibit cancer cell growth in humans. Studies using concentrated compounds from okra showed they inhibited the growth of breast cancer cells by up to 63%. Further research is needed for definitive proof of okra's cancer-blocking properties. Number 3. Support heart and brain health. Polyphenols decrease your risk of heart problems and stroke by preventing blood clots and reducing free radical damage. The antioxidants in okra may also benefit your brain by reducing brain inflammation. Mucilage, a thick gel-like substance found in okra, combined with cholesterol during digestion, so it is passed from the body. An 8-week study conducted on mice showed lower blood cholesterol levels after they were fed a high-fat diet containing okra powder. Number 4. Control blood sugar. Various studies have shown okra may help control blood sugar levels. Researchers believe okra may help prevent sugar from being absorbed during digestion. In one study, rats given purified okra and liquid sugar had fewer blood sugar spikes than rats in the control group. More evidence is needed to confirm that okra helps control blood sugar levels in humans. Okra is more than a regional delicacy. Several studies say that it can help lower blood sugar, which makes it another possible tool for those with diabetes. If you or a loved one has it, it's worth asking your doctor, a dietitian, or a diabetes educator if there's a place in your diet for okra. Controlling diabetes is all about watching the level of sugar in your blood. Losing weight and being active help. And so does eating healthy. Okra is low in calories, with almost no fat. It's also loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc. But perhaps its biggest benefit, especially for people who have diabetes, is its high amount of fiber. The fiber in the fruit of okra, the green, seedy part of the plant, lowers blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of sugar from your intestines. It's better to get your fiber through food, rather than supplements. If you decide you need more fiber, raise the amount you get slowly. Too much too quickly can lead to things like gas, bloating, and belly cramping. Talk to your doctor before making any big changes to what you eat. Number 5. Prenatal support. 1 cup of okra has 15% of the daily value of folate, a helpful nutrient for pregnant women. Folate helps reduce the risk of neural tube defects, which can affect the brain and spine of developing fetuses. Number 6. How to prepare okra. Commonly used in soups and stews, okra is found in many dishes from the American South, like gumbo, and can be added to your diet in a variety of ways. Because of the mucilage in okra, it can get gummy or slimy when heated up. You can avoid this gummy texture by cooking okra at high heat in an uncrowded pan. You can also pickle okra to reduce the sliminess. Here are some more ways you can add okra to your diet. Roast it in the oven for a healthy snack. Cook okra with tomato sauce and serve over pasta. Grill salted okra until slightly charred. Sauté okra with garlic. Add okra to a veggie stir fry. And make a pilaf with okra and quinoa. Yep, all of these are what happens to your body when you eat okra. However, in case you are people with diabetes, should be careful when considering adding more okra into your diet. Although okra may be able to help people better control their blood sugar, it can also interfere with metformin, a medication often used to treat type 2 diabetes. Well, that's all now. Do you find this video content interesting? Please tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Don't forget our slogan. Health is wealth. Keep this treasure safe.